Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account and connection. You need the same Google account that made the backup. Once signed in, connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power so the transfer won't fail midway. Now open the app, tap Restore or Backup Settings, and grant Google Drive permission when prompted. This begins the handshake between app and Drive. You'll see a date and file size. Pick the most recent backup. The app needs that manifest to map files and settings back into place. Once you select the correct snapshot, the app starts pulling files and settings from Drive. Make sure you keep the app open and screen awake. Background suspension can pause downloads. If the backup is encrypted, you must enter the password or device PIN. This decrypts account tokens and private data. As files arrive, the app may reconfigure accounts and permissions. Wait for confirmation prompts and accept requested permissions so features resume. If multiple apps finalize by reviewing key app settings, media and saved data to ensure everything migrated. You may need to reauthorize third-party accounts or re-sign into services so sync resumes. Once done, force quit and reopen the app to let background sync finish, then confirm incremental backups work. If something goes wrong, try the obvious fixes. Ensure you use the exact Google account, switch to a strong Wi-Fi network, and retry the restore. If issues persist, export the Drive backup file for manual import or contact app support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.